This is a 2008 Volvo XC90. It features a 3.2-liter six-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Its top features and packages include the Premium Package, a glass-powered moonroof, a low-tire pressure indicator, 100% commercial-free Sirius satellite radio, alloy wheels, roof rails, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: dual power seats, air conditioning with automatic climate control, cruise control, leather seats, an independent rear suspension, front fog lights, halogen headlights, an anti-lock braking system, heated side view mirrors, and this automobile has fewer than 64,000 miles on the odometer. Not to mention that this Volvo qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Contact us today to schedule your opportunity to see this automobile in person.
Volvo Center is located at 1326 Northeast Loop 410 in San Antonio. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.